sir. What are you eating?
Teriyaki bowl.
Teriyaki bowl.
Yeah.
Shit, I like some. Right, so I mentioned in my last video about the new parts that came in. So I got the STX 7.1 steam speed ported ball bearing turbo. Ready to gap some people. To go along with my turbo, I got this Killer B part. You guys probably already know what it is. Killer B headers with dual tile 38mm wastegates. As you can tell, it is used, but it's still in operating condition. And I say that because look at this. There's fat dents on two of the runners. But you know what? The guy previously had it. Never had any issues with it, so we're gonna be installing these bad boys as well. There are no cracks or dents, so we shouldn't have a problem. These are the OEM headers. I'm gonna go and spray WD-40 on the bolts here. There's one behind and then over there, and one more on the other side. And then also, here's the, oh shit, here's a J-pipe. Recommend to spray these as well. I mean, I'm probably not gonna have as much of a hard time because I have these Grimspeed studs. So yeah, spray these. The cool thing about my J-pipe, I got the two-piece one where it kind of, sorry, let me adjust myself. It connects super close, so I can just take these off along with the turbo and header. So I can just take it off while it's off the car. Yep, I'm gonna spray those. Then I saw some videos online. You just gotta disconnect all the hoses connected to the turbo, and then remove the intake, the turbo inlet from the turbo, and also the charge pipe. Yep, just the oil lines, the coolant lines, and it should come right out. So I just took out the turbo inlet. It's kind of tough to loosen these charge pipe bolts up here, but I eventually got them out. I just had to use like a open end wrench and do it little by little. But yeah, right now I'm draining the oil lines. Oh, sorry. Draining the oil lines. I pinched off the hoses here for the radiator or the coolant lines. Oh, up here, and then here's the other one. The other one is on this side. This one right here. Pinch that off, and then you just take this off and drain the rest of the oil. I mean, not oil, coolant, sorry. I should be able to take out the turbo with the header, break those loose, and then this whole thing should come out. So I just took off the header. It wasn't too bad, but I would recommend you get a partner just to help hold this up, because I mean, I did it by myself, but it was kind of tough holding it. Well, I mean, if you're strong, then it should be fine. But here's the steam speed turbo. I'm looking at it right now, and it seems like everything looks plug and play. I just have to remove this piece. I'm not too sure what you call it, like an oil sump or something, but this has to go on this, and then this can go onto the external wastegate headers. So I just got the oil pan on. I had to go to the hardware store real quick because this turbo, it came with studs, and I bought the turbo used, so it didn't have any nuts to go with it. By the way, let me show you the gaskets real quick. I got the block set, and it's pretty good quality. We're just putting everything back together. You can see underneath. Yep. Got a couple more things to bolt on. Alright, we buttoned everything down, made sure everything was good. I already primed the turbo already, so you want to do the honors and starting it. Gotcha. Shit. Oh, it sounds different. It's like more deep and growly. Wow. Yeah. Well, I'm kind of running out of time for today, so probably tomorrow I'm gonna do some data logging because I gotta go work right now. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Day 2 of the power build. I just finished my first data log on my base map, and at the moment I'm trying to update and reflash revision 2. Flashing revision number 2. Don't mind the buzzing sound, that's my air compressor for the bags, but yep. Okay, letting the car warm up before we go data logging. Ready for data log? Richie. So we on the freeway, we're gonna do a little bit pulls and then we're gonna do our dyno pull after. So I just finished my tune. It is Friday night and we are headed to the car cruise. My recorder for tonight. Say hello. Hi. It's kind of dark. This is Kelsey. But yeah, she's gonna be the one recording all the races. So we just made it to the meetup spot. Look at our masks. My mask is dirty, but look at it, it's cherry. Cherry. Check it out, man. Lots of people for the night runs. Look who it is. Cyron. The man himself. No, I know how Mr. Cyron Uy. You gonna race? Nah, maybe, yeah. Maybe if they call you out. Yeah. Alright, so I have a story to tell you. Cyron was test driving my car and then he got fucking pulled over. What did you get cited for?
Fucking loud ass exhaust.
It's not even his car.
Not even my car. The fucking Subi.
It was my car. Oh man.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's my fault too.
It's
For egging you on.
It's too good. It's too loud.
Fun, yeah?
Yeah, fun though, but ticket not fun.
Hey, when did you realize a cop was pulling you
Dude, I was
over here?
already. He pulled up.
And then he turned on his lights?
Yeah.
So you didn't know?
I didn't know all the way when I pulled up.
I already knew.
Dude, he didn't do his lights. He didn't do his sirens.
Yeah.
You never see the guy on the left? Like you never see him coming this way?
No, I never see anybody.
For real?
I was looking in the back because I was shit, I was clear. Was that clear intersection? That was clear. Okay, shift to second.
Right there. Wow.
It is 3 o'clock on the dot. Just got back from the night runs. If you guys want to see more of this kind of content, leave a comment down below and then I'll make sure to post more like night runs or like road racing, you know. Cruise tonight was like super unorganized, but hopefully the next ones coming up are a little bit better, like to compare the power with other cars, just to see where my car's at, because I'm not too exactly sure how much power my car's making. I'm just going based off what everyone says. So yeah,